Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make an extra tasty frozen drink. First, we'll grab a couple items from the freezer. Let's see, we have a whole selection of jumbo freezies here. But I think the one that's going to go best with today's drink is going to be the blue flavor. Everybody loves blue. And as well, I've got my favorite gin of choice, which is Tanqueray. And this next step is going to be a lot easier if you have a pair of scissors or some other sort of sharp object. Do one of those. Excellent pop. And now you might need to warm the freezy against your face a little bit, just to make sure that it's nice and melted enough to come out of the plastic. You might have to do a little bit of massaging in this step. Here we go. And you know, it comes out in these tube-shaped icicles, which is perfect for presentation. You want to just collect those right back in there if something like that happens. Okay, excellent, here we go. And then lastly, you can really use any amount of gin that you want, but I would recommend a double shot. And it's ready to drink. My rice is boiling. Oh no, my rice. One second.
Is this a part of the beverage, Jacob?
Oh, this is a part of the beverage. The whole process is a part of the beverage. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey.